Hey, what's up guys? It's AJ from Fit Life of AJ. Blessed to have you back on my channel. We came up with something, well, I didn't come up. No, I can't say we because Jen came up with a new idea for a weekly, what is it?
Series, I guess.
A weekly series. Instead of weighing in on Sundays, we're going to be weighing in on Wednesdays, and we're going to have a hashtag Weigh In Wednesdays.
Well, we're weighing in on a Tuesday. But I'm uploading it on a Wednesday. That way I don't have to do it the same day.
Right. So weighing in Tuesday night. So upload Wednesday morning. It'll still be around the same. And then we'll be doing meal prep Mondays as well. Eventually, once we get our lives together. Did I miss anything, Jen?
No, you did good. But what should they do if they like the video?
If they like the video,
if you like the video, give it a
thumbs up,
and don't forget to
comment down below.
No, I mean
subscribe.
Yes, yeah. Don't forget to
subscribe and comment down below. Just got done checking in, weighing in at 5-star. My scale weight is 345. Skeletal muscle mass is 108.5. And body fat percentage is at 46% even. A lot to work with, but I got a schedule pretty much of when I'm supposed to work out, eat, and go to bed pretty much. And we'll talk more about the meal plan on Meal Prep Monday. And thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, hang loose.